it's Gail with Traders Help Desk, and this is the trade that I was talking about. I was waiting to occur on the euro dollar. This is the bar that went up and tagged the ATR. I was just a few minutes late, but I do have the strike at 19.94, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, as you can see here, this is a trade that has about 32.50 on the risk. Remember, you subtract this from 100 when you're short, trading 3 contracts. And I do have a profit target set at 15. So my profit would be 67.50 minus 15, which is my profit target. Now I just want to show again, you can see that we have this magenta dot here. That indicates that there was trend divergence, and you can actually see it if you are measuring the highs. And I'm expecting this to come back to this ATR. And I was waiting on the 15-minute to go back to the ATR, which it has done. And now I'm just waiting to see if it moves in my direction. Now, I'm watching the 60-minute right now because you can see it's right at that ATR. I do think it will go through the ATR because you've had a lot of trend divergence here. And you can see that because as this was making new highs, the stochastic is making lower lows. And that's what we expect, okay? And also you can see that this just turned down. So I think the congestion dot will end up being about here, which works in my favor for this trade. So we'll see if it plays out or not. Okay, you can see that it's coming in just about where I thought it would. So if this comes down to this congestion dot, then more than likely I will get my profit target over here. It's working in my favor. I just wanted to clarify, I said I will get my profit target. More likely than not, I will get my profit target because it also depends if there's buyers and sellers sufficiently to fill the orders. Okay, this is a case. I'm going to go ahead and exit this trade. I don't like this bar. And the reason I don't is because the stochastic's on the 15 minutes overextended, which means we're going to get a retracement. So I'm just going to click on that order and just go ahead and amend the order because, like I said, I do not like what I'm seeing on the 15-minute. Now, it could be that this goes ahead and works out. The problem is, hold on just a minute. I needed to get the screen over here so you could see what I was seeing. This is the problem, and I've only had about 45 minutes left. And this is showing that it's going to retrace up to here. Well, I've already got a profit, albeit a small profit. I don't want to let that profit go because this is going to retrace, and it could take 3 bars to retrace. And in that case, I would lose what I had made plus what I was risking. So in this case, I just decided it was better to go ahead and exit, even though the setup is still valid over here. This is where your time factor comes in on a binary. If this takes 45 minutes to retrace, and it's moving kind of slow, so it could, then I would lose not only my risk, but the small profit that I had made. So my job as a trader, again, is to take profits when the market is offering profits. This could actually retrace all the way up to this ATR. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and close the position. To me, it's pretty much a scratch trade. It was slightly profitable, but nothing to really say I made some money, okay? So just an example of, hey, you go in with the best of intentions, but the market decides it's going to go in the opposite direction, then you're better off just going ahead and exiting your position.